Hello guys, today I'm going to review a Stuhrling watch with a model of Executive 133, and here I got the white dial version. So as you can see, this is the box. It's pretty neat by itself. You got this, which tells you, oh, thank you for your purchase of your new Stuhrling original timepiece. Got this thing here. Let me set that aside. And now for the watch itself. It's a beautiful skeleton watch. Very cool, as you can see. 44 millimeter diameter, 11.5 millimeter thickness, and you got this where you can wind. As you can see, it also has automatic movement, as you know. Pretty cool, right? At the back here, you got this. Water resistant up to 50 meters, automatic, 22 joules, all stainless steel. Oh, and it says genuine leather here, Stuhrling original. Let's see what else are there in the box. So you got this microfiber cloth, as it seems, maybe to clean your watch. Got this international warranty. Yep. And it even got instructions for those of you who do not know how to use automatic, maybe. Yep. So I'll show the watch again once more. It's just such a beautiful watch, right? A beautiful skeleton watch with great movement. As you can see, that spinning, this thing spinning, so beautiful. And the second hand, yeah, pretty neat, right? Oh, and this strap is leather and with this alligator stamp croco or something. Yeah, well, that's about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please press a like button if you like this video, and goodbye.